Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you all are very good. Today I am going to discuss you want to learn English language but you cannot speak in English fluency. I know what it feels like, and today I want to talk about this topic. But before to start the video, I want you to watch the video till the end because this is so important to watch. And if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss you want to learn English language but you cannot speak the way how you want to speak. I know what it feels like when you know you have been practiced for a long time but still you are staying at the same place. You are stuck. You cannot speak the way how you want to exactly speak. What it feels so sad. It feels so difficult to get rid of that situation, and how you can do exactly to improve your English language. What you exactly need to do for that. I want to suggest to every one, practice with yourself. If you are a beginner, then talk with yourself every single day with consistency. Talk with yourself at least 20 minutes a day. That is going to help you a lot. That is going to do a big part of your life if you want to speak fluency in English language, because it helped me a lot, and I'm talking about from my experience. Do it, bro, and believe that it will work. After 2 or 3 months later, you will see the improvement, how improved you got when you talk with yourself every single day at least 20 minutes. It does not matter if you make mistakes, if you stuck when you talk, but talk. That is important. It can be anything what you want to say, no problem with that, but at least you should try to talk. That is so important, because most of the people, they never try to speak with themselves, and that is the reason they could not speak the way how they want to speak. It does not matter what you do. It does not matter how much you practice. Unless you speak this language, you cannot speak fluency in English language. So it is so important to every one to speak with yourself. And if you have a partner who you can practice with, that is so amazing. That is a great opportunity for you. Just go and talk with them. Take advantage from them. Go and talk with them every single day. It can be anything. Make them interest to talk with yourself. Whatever you want to say, just share those things with those persons. But talk. You have to talk. As I said, it doesn't matter what you do to improve English language. Unless you speak this language, you cannot speak. If I talk about swimming, I know many people, they use this example. It doesn't matter how much you research or how much you study about swimming. Unless you swimming, you cannot learn how to swim. So it is super important to everyone. If you want to learn how to swim, you have to get to the pool and you have to swim. Only then you can learn how to swim exactly. It does not matter how many times you research about swimming. Unless you swim, you cannot learn how to swim. Exactly, English language is same. Unless you speak this language out loud, it doesn't matter how much you study about this language, you cannot speak fluency. And that's why always I say that practice with yourself. If you have no one, and if you have a partner, that is very good. That's a great opportunity for you. Just go and talk with them. Make them interest to talk with yourself. And if you have no one, talk with yourself in front of the mirror. That is going to help you a lot, because it helped me a lot. I'm talking about from my experience. Do it, bro. It is going to help you a lot. And watch English videos. It can be anything. Whatever you want to watch, try to watch those videos in English language with English subtitle. That is going to help you a lot to understand native English speaker. And I think everyone need to watch native English speakers, how they talk, how they impress themselves, how they use sentences, how their face attraction when they talk. You need to learn those things. You need to watch English videos. Yeah, because if you do not watch, then you cannot learn those things. Learn every single of things what need to you to improve English language, like improving your writing skills, like improving your listening skills. That is also going to help you a lot, because most of the people, they don't like to write down. They don't like to listen other people. They just want to talk. If you don't listen other people, how can you talk? If you could not understand the conversation, how can you give the answer? I know most of the people, they are wondering what they need to say to them, and that's why many times we don't give attention what other people are talking. We could not understand the conversation. It is happening with many people and many times. Stop wondering what you need to say to them, and pay close attention what people are talking. Let people talk fast, that is important, and pay close attention what people are talking. Only that way you will give the answer if you understand what people are talking. So that is super important to every job one. If you want to learn how to speak in English, if you want to learn how to speak good English, so that is super important to everyone. So it's not that hard what people think about. They think that it is so difficult to speak this language fluency because they never practice with themselves. They never start to speak with themselves. They never start to talk with another person, and that is the reason they could not speak fluency. You have to do it, bro. Unless you speak with yourself, you cannot improve. So it is super important. Don't forget that. And it is possible. You can do it too. If I can, if another people can do it, you can do it too. It is possible to you to speak fluency. It is not that impossible. You make it hard. Don't make it hard, bro. Don't think that it is not impossible. It is so difficult to speak fluency. No, it is not that impossible. It is possible. It is so easy than your native language. I bet that it is so easy than your native language. So don't get scared to learn English language. It is possible. So now I hope you would not get scared anymore to speak with yourself or speak with somebody to improve your English language. So now I hope you would not get scared anymore to talk with yourself or talk with somebody to improve your English language. It is so important, bro. Unless you speak with yourself, you cannot speak fluency in English language. So it's important. So talk with yourself as much as possible every single day with consistency. That is super important. And thank you so much for watching me till the end. If you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today's for that. I will be back very soon.